Hello dear students, welcome to the online video class of computers. I am Meenakshi Kothiyal, your computer teacher. Children, since so far we have done with our worksheet, 3 worksheets, okay? And today's topic is keyboard. In previous video, we have already discussed about keyboard and the types of different keys a keyboard has. Okay, now today we will start with the worksheet number 4, and again our today's topic is also keyboard. Okay, so now take out your notebooks, be ready with your pencil and start noting down the questions which I'll be giving you. Okay, friend, here is our first question. Question number 1. MATCH, match, THE, the, FOLLOWING, following, KEYS, keys, WITH, with, THEIR, there, NO dot, number, OF, off, KEYS, keys. Now children, we have studied about different types of keys which are present on keyboard. Now, here I have given you the type of keys. I have written the name of the keys over here and you have to find out how many number of keys are present on the keyboard. Okay. Now, children, the first is ALPHABET, alphabet. ALLPHA, fa, BET, bet, alphabet keys. So children, tell me how many alphabets are there? Yes children, A to Z. A to Z, how many are they? They are total 26 in numbers. Okay, they are 26 in numbers. So there are 26 alphabet keys. Okay, now we will match it with 26. This is how children you have to match the number of keys with the keys. Okay children. Now next is NUM, num, BER, bur, number, number, KEYS, keys, number keys. So children, how many numbers are there total? Let's count from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many keys are there? 10. So there are 10 number keys. Here 10 is written 1, 0, 10. So we will match number keys with 10. Okay children? Got it? Now, next comes space bar key. SPACE, space, BAR, bar, space bar, KEY, key, space bar key. So children, how many space bar keys are there? See children, this is a keyboard. Okay, this is the space bar key. The longest key which is present on the keyboard is known as the space bar key. So only one space bar key is there. How many keys? Only one. So we will match this space bar key with 1. Okay. Okay, so you will not get confused. I am just writing here 1 only. Okay. 1. So how many keys are present here? Only 1. Okay. How many spacebar keys are there? Only 1. So we will match spacebar key with 1 over here. Okay children. Now next comes ENNTER, ter, enter, KEY, key, enter, key. Now children, how many enter keys are there? This is a keyboard. See children, this is an enter key. Also, this is an enter key. So how many enter keys are there in the keyboard? 1, 2. How many keys are there? Enter keys are there? 2. So match enter key with 2. Okay children, how many alphabet keys are there? 26. How many number keys are there? 10. How many space bar key? One only. And how many enter key? Two enter keys. Okay, so this is how you have to match the keys with their number of keys present on the keyboard. Very good, children. So here comes our next question. Question number 2. F-I-L-L, fill. I-N-N-T-H-E, the. B-L-A-N-K-S, blanks. W-I-T-H, with. T-H-E, the. M-I-S-S-I-N-G, missing. L-E-T-T-E-R-S, letters. Name of the keys. Now children, here I have given you some words over here. Okay, and here in between few letters are missing. Okay, now what you have to do, I have also given you a hint over here. These all are the names of the keys which are present on the keyboard. Okay, different types of keys which you have learned. Okay, now I have missed few letters in between the words. Okay, now you have to find out. First you have to learn the spelling, and then only you will be able to write down the spellings of the spellings of the different types of keys over here. Okay, I have given you a hint over here. These are the names of the keys. Okay, so now first A-P-A-T. Just recognize. Use your mind, just use your mind, children. What should be the, what name of the key should be here? Yes, children. Alphabet. Okay. Now, this question you have to do of your own. First, you will learn the spellings and then you will fill the missing letters in between the words. Okay. So, A, what is the spelling of alphabet? Just learn it and then fill it between the words. This is alphabet. So you have to learn the spelling of alphabet. Then you have to write it. You have to fill the missing letters in between the words. Okay. Next is N-M-E-. What should be? Yes, number. What is the name of the key here? Number. Now learn the spelling of number and then fill the missing letters here. Third one is arrow. Okay, arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move up, down and left, right. So write down the spelling of arrow here. Okay, you have to find out the missed letters and then you have to write them in between the word. Okay. Next type of key is backspace. Now learn the spelling of backspace and then fill the missing letters. Okay, backspace key is used to erase the letters we have typed on the computer. Okay, children, it is like an eraser. It is like an eraser. Okay, so backspace key is used to erase the letters on computer. Okay, children. Next is, fifth one is enter. Now learn the spelling of enter and then fill the missing letters. Enter key is used to bring you to the next line. It moves the cursor to the next line. If you want to come to next line, you will press enter key. Okay, children? Now, sixth one. Which name is this? Just try to find out. Yes, is space bar. Space bar. Now learn the spelling and then fill in with the missing letters. Okay, children? So, I'm giving you only these questions here in this worksheet. You have to learn these questions. Okay, whatever you are doing in these worksheets, it is kind of a revision. Okay, these kind of questions can come in your exams. Okay, so learn whatever is being taught to you. Okay, children? Now it's high time to pull up your socks. Exams are about to start within the first week of March or maybe second week. Okay, so you have to prepare yourself well. Okay, children? Start practicing how to draw mouse. Okay, start practicing of learning the spellings of the different types of keys. Okay, children. So this is now for today in this video. We will be meeting soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home.